video, I want to demonstrate one of the coolest features of Power BI, its ability to make PowerBI calls. In just a few clicks, Power BI could consume JSON data and convert it to a tabular format available for reporting. I'm going to use one of the most abundant data sources, stock market quotes. With Alpha Advantage provider for free API to get this information. Registration is the only requirement to receive API key for access. With this key, we're going to model a simple trade following portfolio based on cash and 5 evenly divided asset classes. US stocks, commodities, bonds, international stocks, and real estate. This portfolio tracks 10 months, 300 days moving average for each of the indices and invests in index only if it trades above corresponding moving average. For indices trading below moving average, their portion of portfolio gets allocated to cash. In that particular instance, 20% of the portfolio is allocated to cash and 80% is evenly divided between US stocks, bonds, international, and real estate. Let's go ahead and start building this portfolio dashboard. I'm going to start with get data. We're going to use PowerBI. We're going to paste a connection to Alpha Advantage, which contains API key. Once the get data gets here, we're going to expand monthly adjusted time series. We're going to convert those records into a table, and we're going to expand individual columns, which would include open, close, volume, and we're not going to use a prefix. And just like this, with a few clicks, we received tabular data, which we need for reporting. We're going to repeat those steps 4 more times to receive each individual asset class, and we're going to bind those asset classes together via quote date into a single data model. For each of the asset classes, we're going to add calculated column for moving average. We're going to utilize tax, and we're going to use variables, and we're going to use another calculated column to indicate if security is trading above or below its moving average. We're going to call it above. We're going to use this closing information and moving average information to plot each individual security and obviously date. And we're going to use measures to calculate allocations to a particular security. And we're going to use factor of 20 because there are 5 securities. Based on those allocations, we're going to put them into scorecards, and we're going to create a pie chart which would indicate allocation to each of the securities. We're going to publish this to Power BI service, and we're going to schedule refreshes to once a month to